Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm eBike Scott, and we have a couple new updates. It is still freezing cold out. It's about to snow. I can't even believe we have no snow right now, but I just got a new GoPro. It's the Hero9 Black with the front screen. And I'm just waiting on the media mod to come in so I can hook up my new wireless microphone system. But for now, I have it temped out on the iPhone. And we're going to go for a little ride, but I'm still not going to have any audio on the ride. Since I haven't rode the Voloci death bike in a little while, I need to put some air in the tires for one. So I have my pump here. And then I also want to put a screw in that chain guide that's falling off from the last ride. So let's just pump these tires up real quick and try to get to some action today. I don't know how it's going to be on this bike with this cold weather because this thing goes almost 50 miles an hour and it's freezing out. I put about 40 pounds in these ones. These tires are rated for extreme amount of PSI. The Voloci manual actually says they require something silly like 76 pounds per square inch. Obviously because electric vehicles want the least amount of rolling resistance possible so they can get the maximum mileage. All right, 40.5 PSI in each tire. This wireless mic setup is pretty awesome because right now I'm recording out in my yard and I'm in my shed talking to you, and I feel like everything's going well. So let's spin the bike around to the problem side. I got my trusty Milwaukee 18-volt drill. Let's put a small drill bit in the end there. And I'm gonna put a little pilot hole in this chain guide, and then I'm going to tap it in there. And that should solve my issue. That should be good enough. I really don't want to weaken it. All right, I need a Phillips head and a pair of lineman pliers. So I just have a wafer head Phillips screw that's used in construction. And I'm just going to cut off the self-tapping head and support this thing. Now we just thread it in all the way. Oh, that's perfect. She is locked in place. You know, it's not professional, but does the trick. All right, so hopefully this new GoPro Hero9 Black is all set up properly. I went through the settings quickly, but battery's not even completely charged. I just picked it up at Walmart, and it's at 58%. I got my LiPo buzzer here. We're going to put it on my pack. I'm going to set it to about 3.5 volts, and if it ever does beep, I can just turn around and come home. All right, we're at 55%. I just bought a brand new 400 gig micro SD card. It says I can record for 16 hours. Jesus, I don't think I need that much time, but all right, that's awesome. I'm gonna try to go somewhere I haven't gone before. Head a different direction out of town. Turn the key. We are off to the races. Bear with me, guys. I'm still trying to set up the GoPro on this new helmet. I just got the Hero9 Black, and as you can see, I have it mounted slightly low, so you can't really see the whole ride. I really apologize for that. I did edit it the best I could, so you can see the most of the road at certain times. It's just trial by error at this point, and hopefully the next one will have all these kinks worked out for you, and it'll be a little more enjoyable to watch. But for now, this is just the first ride with this camera, and things should get better. All right, so we're gonna cross the business district over here. Brian's house. We stopped there before. Across the railroad tracks. You know what? Let's take a left here because I have no idea where it goes. How you doing?
Go now.
Right? I don't know how much longer I'm gonna last out here. Even with the full face helmet, my face is fucking frozen. My glasses are fogged up beyond belief, so I should stop talking right now. That'll help. My motor is already so fucking hot, even though it's freezing out. This motor's not gonna last long. I can smell it. I can smell it burning right now. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video short here. It is Sunday and I did get stuck driving behind lots of cars that were going fairly slow. I had to edit lots of it out and I did have over 35 minutes of ride footage. I didn't even do any of the whole commute home in this video because it was just freezing cold. I decided to stop right here at the back of this mill building and get some shots of this beautiful overflowing water that's just gushing through the town here and flooding over all of these trees. It's usually split into two rivers here, but it's just so overflooded that it was just joining into one large conglomerate. It's pretty cool to see, and I just want to get home and warm up at this point. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.